I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one. Yeah, so what you see me doing there is breaking out some concrete screed ready for repair.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that she'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
Yeah, so I've got to repair this nasty crack in this concrete floor here. The crack goes all the way through there. It's quite deep. So we're going to cut this out really. And all I've done is just measured off that back wall there. Got myself square down there. Drawn a line all the way through. I'm going to cut out about a metre of this, but what I want to do first is scratch a line there with the spinner, so as I'm cutting that through I don't lose that line. I've also got one over here to do. This one's quite deep as well, so same again. On this one I'll measure off that back wall just to get myself square for a nice square cut. Come through there, get these marked up, scratched up, and then I'll get these cut out, ready for making good. Yeah, so I've marked up the line where I'm going to be cutting through now. Just scratch that through there like that, all the way through. I'm using this wet cutter, so I'll be able to see where I'm going now. So I'm taking out about 2 foot from there to there, all the way through. But I'm going to be using a wet cutter. I'm in a unit now, so can't be doing any dry cutting in this sort of unit. It needs to be a wet cut. I'm going to get that cut out. Shouldn't take me too long.
She's waiting for love to be real.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to take this screed out. It's only about 65mm thick deep, and there's a crack going through there. Don't know if you can see that. It's quite a nasty one. Done a nice bit of cutting through there, and this is the little guy I'm going to use to break this out. It's a Titan. I think that's a 1300 watt Titan, and that's an SDS hammer drill. So you just put it on the hammer for breaking out, and then just turn that over to your drill when you want to do your drilling. But it's quite a nifty little thing, ideal for your small jobs like this. It comes with a point, comes with a chisel, and it comes with a few drill bits as well. So for the price, pretty good. What I normally do is I normally open up an area, and that just gives me a bit of a chance for when I'm breaking out that the screed's not pushing up against anything like that, and just comes away nice and easy. I'll just give you a quick demonstration on what I mean there. Yeah, so make yourself an open end there. Look how easy that comes out. All the way through there, nice and easy. Yeah, so I've got a bit to do here. That's a great little tip, that. Got plenty to do. Let's get the rest of that out. Yeah, it's all coming out nice that now. Just like having an open end makes it a lot easier. A little Titan there, he's doing a great job. Perfect for the small jobs like this. The screed's not that deep, so you know, it's just coming away nicely. Working my way through there. Get to the end there, and that's all good then. I've done this one already. Yeah, so let me crack on with this. Get the rest of that out.
Over the hills and far from wide, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift.
Way to take some screed out. Get yourself, you know, cut through nicely. Use a nice little kango like that if you've got one. Comes out the way really easy. I'm going to crack on with this. Get all this dug out. Get that rubble away. I'd just like to say thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, that was screed there, all broke up nicely for me. Just going to get this shovel out now. There you go. Job's a good one. Whew, that warms you up a bit.